Good morning everyone. In this video I will be talking about how can you install the eSIM on your new iPhone. If you bought an iPhone and it does not have any SIM, or if it says SOS, that means you don't have a service on your device and it needs to be activated. How can you do it? You can do it by going into the settings, then you will look for cellular right here. You will click cellular and then you will click setup cellular, and it will give you three options there: either transfer from your nearby iPhone, use QR code, or transfer from Android. Now what does that mean? So this, if you already have an old iPhone and you have a working number on that iPhone, you can just bring your iPhone number over to your new one. You just click on that option and it will give you notification on your old phone, so you can click on there and transfer it to the new phone. Second, use QR code. If you click on there, it will allow you to scan QR code. Now that QR code has to be sent by your carrier. So let's say if you have a Straight Talk, Metro, Boost Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, whatever the service do you have, they will send you a QR code, and they can send you via email. Usually they do via email, so you can just scan that. That's the second option. Third option, if you have any Samsung device or Android, Motorola or ZTE or HTC, or or the Nothing phone, so those Android models, if you click here before you begin, it will right here. Now the other phone has to be supported by the carrier, and even after this, if it says it cannot be transferred, then what you need to do, you need to contact your carrier provider so they can send you the QR code, or you have to give the IMEI, the serial number of the phone, to find out, and so they can actually transfer. So yeah, that's how you actually set up your eSIM. Once again, if your phone says, if your iPhone says SOS there, that means it's not connected to any service. How you gonna do that? You go into the settings, then you go to cellular, and then you click setup cellular. And once you have these three options, you can transfer your service and then have a service on your new device. Thanks for watching. Bye.